Hey guys, welcome to Advices Media. This video would show you the demo of the YouTube application in the Galaxy Note 10.1 tablet device. We would be checking the display quality, the performance of the YouTube application and the performance of the processor, and along with that the sound quality. So let's try to open a high definition video, that's HD video in the YouTube application. YouTube comes as a pre-installed application in the Galaxy Note 10.1. Let's try to search something like the Nature HD videos, and let's go to the first one. So initially what you see is the related videos on the right, and there's also a section for the comments, and below the video in the smaller version there's the description of the video, the number of likes, dislikes and the views, and this is the actual video player here. There's also an option to toggle from the HD or the non-HD version. So you need to hit on this enlarge icon so that the entire screen is covered with the video now. Let's check out the video quality, the playing quality and also the sound quality from here. So we'll try to move the video back and forth in a faster instance to check whether the processor lags or is quite good in speed. And as you can check, we are going more than 90 degrees in the viewing angle, and still it has a good display quality. And the sound quality is pretty good and high, mainly because of the location of the speakers on the front side that's just adjacent to the display. So this was the demo of the YouTube application, the video player and the performance review of the device. Keep checking out the channel for the other videos and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.